If you want to put pictures on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 5, then this video is for you. In this video, I will share step-by-step process of adding photos to Galaxy Watch 5. So without any further ado, let's get started. To add the picture to your Galaxy Watch, take your cell phone and open the Galaxy Wearable app. Now go to Watch Settings. Here, find Manage Content and tap on it. Now from this screen, you can either add images to your Galaxy Watch 5 or you can delete them. So go ahead and tap on Add Images. Now select all the images that you want to add to your smartwatch and then tap on the Done button. Let the images get added to your Galaxy Watch 5. So the images have been added to your smartwatch successfully. Now take your smartwatch and open the Gallery app. Here you will be able to see all the images that you have just added. In case your Galaxy Watch 5 is running out of space, then you can also delete some images to free up some space. Image deletion can be done from the smartwatch itself or from the Galaxy Wearable app. To delete the images using the smartwatch, open the Gallery app. Long press on the image you want to delete, then tap on this Delete button. To delete multiple photos, press and hold on to one image, then swipe left and select all the other images that you want to delete. Once all the images are selected, tap on the Delete button. So this is how you can add or delete images from your Galaxy Watch 5. But wait, the video is not over yet. The thing that you need to note is that you will have to follow this process every time you want to put pictures on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. If you don't want to repeat this process, then you can automate it. To do that, open the Galaxy Wearable app on your smartphone. Go to Watch Settings, then go to Manage Content and turn on this Auto Sync option. If you don't want to sync all the photos and only want to sync pictures of a particular album on your cell phone, then you can also do that. Tap on this album to sync option and then select a particular album, or you can also select multiple albums. Once you have selected the albums, tap on the Done button. Since the storage on the Galaxy Watch is limited, therefore it does not make any sense to put a lot of pictures on it, right? So you can also select the number of pictures you want to get synced to your smartwatch. Do that, tap on the Auto Sync Image Limit and then select the number of images you want to get synced automatically. You can select up to 200 images. So this is how you can transfer photos from your cell phone to your Galaxy Watch 5. This video ends here. I hope it was helpful to you. If you liked the video, then do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already to watch more interesting videos like this. I will now see you in the next video. Till then, take care.